said the suspect had been in the illegal business for long, but luck ran out of them when the command alerted on their activities and mobilized for their arrest. In an interview, the Nasarawa State Governor's aide, Yusuf Mada, denied being aware of the items sold to him were vandalized, while the Chinese national explained that he was arrested because he bought the railway tracks and slippers.
Give them order to this one's a buy. When there's some black, driver, and the driver took to Josh.
Say dear, you can tell like, and here
Also among the arrested suspects were 37 kidnappers, 8 armed robbers, and 5 suspects for sundry offenses. Some of the discovered items from the suspects, according to the police commissioner, include 2 trucks, 2 boxes loaded